Hello, my pretties. It's me. I am really under the weather right now. Have the flu, but this flu really knocked me down. It really knocked me down. Oh, I can't hardly do anything. I have no taste buds. I can't smell. I want this water on my dresser. My mind wants the water, but it seems so far away. I just thought I'd get on the camera and y'all be careful out there. I heard this is really going around. It's almost to the point where it feels like COVID. But I tested twice and I don't have COVID. But if you don't take care of the flu, it can turn into pneumonia. Hopefully, each day I get better and better.
Skirt. I don't know. I don't really like clothes to be too heavy on me. And I just feel like sometimes, that's why I like to get like those skirts, like jean look skirts, because they're so heavy. And this skirt is so heavy, I should have went down 2 sizes. But it's so cute. It is really cute, but it's not for me. It's like a little too much material. It's just too much material for me. Yeah, but see how big it is? I could have went down in this skirt. I don't really like it. So this one will be going back because I bought this one. And a lot of the stuff that I picked out that was gifted to me. Okay, so now this outfit is featuring the top is from Rainbow. The skirt is from SHEIN. I'm going to show you a picture on the side about this skirt. It's like a jean skirt. It's like a fake jean skirt. That's what I like about it. And then the top, how it has all the colors and like the graffiti all over it. You can even pair this with a pair of red sneakers. I have on my blue and white Vans and have my DKNY blue clear bag, and that was from Macy's. This jean top I have here, I got this, I think, if I'm not mistaken, got this from Elaine Bryant a while back. I have on my hoop earrings and I have on my bracelet. This is from Zales, and I have on my iPhone watch. And this is how I'm pairing this outfit. Yeah. Okay, so this is my next outfit, and it's about the skirt. This is another SHEIN skirt, the same as the blue one. I decided to change the shoes I had to go with these and just make this outfit comfortable. Okay, these are my DKNY like sneakers. Got those from Macy's a while ago. This is my Adidas shirt. I got this shirt from Costco. I kept on my same accessories that I wore, and this is just like a little Saturday outfit that I just go out running errands and things like that. So this skirt too looks like a jean skirt, and I'll show you on the side. And that's why I picked it up, because it just reminds me of a pair of jeans. And I paired it with my Louis Vuitton bag.
I wore them and I put them in a haul already. Probably one of them hauls you already saw. This I love so much. See this skirt? It runs, and I mean, it wouldn't hardly go up. It's just too small. So I would size up 2 times with this. It's nice and heavy. All you need is like a sleeveless jacket with this on. I don't know if I really want to size up 2 because it just might be too hot for me. It's like a cotton, and it's like, you know how you crochet? That's how it looks. But it's so cute. It's so cute. Nice colors. Nice little winter outfit. I don't think that I'm going to reorder this one in a bigger size. I'm just going to return it. This skirt, which I have a skirt like this from SHEIN already. This don't have no splits in it. It's a regular shirt, and this is the top. This is the top right here. It's cute. What didn't I like about it? I thought about keeping it. I already have a skirt like this. The top kind of fits like up short. It doesn't like go down past your belly. It's just like a short cut, and that's what I didn't like about it. See, it's short, and it keep rising up. So, I mean, I could wear another shirt underneath it. I know sometimes I buy these items with a thought in mind, and then when I get them, I was like, what was I thinking? What was that thought that made me order that? You ever did that before? I don't know. But this skirt here, I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe I should keep it, because I had high hopes for this skirt. This skirt is a jean skirt, and I thought about wearing it with this jacket here, but I was thinking about wearing it with this, with a brown sweater, because this has no sleeves. So, I don't know. This might be a keeper. I think I might keep this and wear my brown boots with it. If you guys see it in a haul, you know I kept it. I'm still thinking. I'm going to think about this one. See, even going through this, have made me change my mind. And that's really how clothes is. I like to, high end to me is something I want to gift myself, or I'd have made some extra money somewhere and I want to buy me something, or buy me something for my birthday, or what have you. That's when I want to get my high end things that I like. But even in today's economy, you have to be very careful how you spend your money, and be able to know when you do buy high end that you can get a return on it somewhere. Never know what life will throw at you, right? Anyway, this one. Another one of those things where, why did I get this? I already have skirts like this. And I don't even like the way the bottom flares out on this skirt. I don't even know, why did I buy this skirt? I have so many houndstooth outfits. I didn't need this. I don't care how much it costs. I did not need this. The skirt that I'm featuring today, the skirt is from SHEIN. This bag is a Bottega Inspire, and this is from SHEIN as well. I paired it with this vest. This vest is from Macy's. This top here is from Macy's. The shoes I got a couple of years ago from Nordstrom's. I have on my Gucci earrings. I got loyalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my day. I just have on my herringbone silver necklace, and this is the outfit. Now, you can wear this outfit with some white shoes as well, or you can wear it with black, or you can interchange the shirt with a black shirt. But this shirt here is black and white, and it's around the rim. But this is how I paired this outfit together. And I kept saying, did I order that? I know I didn't order that, but when I look, I did order it. And I don't know why. Maybe the price was very, very low. But all the prices will be shown on the screen. So those are some of the things that I'm going to be returning. And some I'm going to keep on this side. I think we're going to keep this. So that's going on that side. So this haul was just to show you just some of the things that don't make the cut. SHEIN's return to me is pretty easy. I click what I want to return. They tell me how much was going to be going back to my account, and they give me my slip. That's it. This was a SHEIN return, and hopefully each day I get better and better. And I will see you guys on the next video. I will see you guys on the next video.